Unfortunately, settings has stopped on Android is a frustrating error that can block access to Wi-Fi, display, sound, and more. In this video, we'll show 10 quick fixes plus 1 ultimate solution to get your settings app working again. Part 1. How to fix Android unfortunately has stopped. Fix 1. Clear the cache. Fix 2. Clear the phone's RAM. Fix 3. Force stop settings. Fix 4. Flash the stock ROM. Fix 5. Enter safe mode. Fix 6. Wipe cache partition. Fix 7. Factory reset your phone. Fix 8. Update Android OS. Fix 9. Reinstall Google Update. Fix 10. Restart your phone. Part 2. Fix unfortunately settings has stopped on Android expertly. Android Repair is a reliable tool to fix Android issues like the unfortunately settings has stopped error. It resolves system problems, including app crashes and performance issues without difficulty. User Guide. Step 1. Install and open the software. Go to System Repair and connect your device via USB. Step 2. Select Android Repair. Click Start. Enter your device details, then click Next. Step 3. Input 00000 in the specified field and click Confirm. Please note that using this program may lead to data loss on your smartphone. Step 4. For devices with the Home button, turn off the device, then press and hold the Sprint, Home, Power, and Volume down buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press Volume up to enter download mode. For devices without a Home button, power off the device, then press and hold the Power, Bixby, and Volume down buttons for approximately 10 seconds. Release the buttons and then press Volume up. Step 5. After entering download mode, click Next to download the firmware. The software will then begin the repair process. For the settings keep stopping on Android error,